My name is Paul with Appliance Service by Paul in Salt Lake City, Utah, and today we want to talk about dishwashing detergents. In July of 2010, 17 states in the United States banned the use of phosphates. The effect of that is phosphates were something that really helped your dishwasher work and helped the detergent do its job. With the removal of that, everything's changed. The detergents you've used in the past may suddenly not be working, and you might accidentally blame the problem on your dishwasher. My dishes are cloudy. A white film is a very common symptom of this change in detergents. In order to combat that, you might have to do some experimentation and find out which detergent of the ones available now on the market are best to use in your dishwasher. There are several different dishwashing detergents available today. There are liquids, there are powders, and now there's tablets. A lot of the tablets even include a rinse agent with the product in order to improve washability. The type of dishwasher detergent you use depends on the type of water you have in your home. Now, some people water is water, but there's water hardness that you have to deal with if you have a higher mineral content in your water. If your water is mechanically softened, you'll use less detergent, substantially less, than you would if you had hard water in your home. So you may have to experiment with different types of dishwashing detergents to see what works best for you now. What you have in the box now is not what you've been using over the years. Be sure you check your owner's manual for use and care, and there's a lot of new stuff that's come out. There's some great new additives that have been introduced in the market to help with these washability problems. My name is Paul with Appliance Service by Paul in Salt Lake City, Utah, and we've just been talking about dishwashing detergents.